Welcome to the Vision Perfect video trainer for importing players from Excel and CSV files. Once you've created an event in Viper and you're ready to begin adding players to import them from an Excel or CSV spreadsheet, the first thing you should do is open the spreadsheet to make sure that it's compatible for importing. So you can browse to where your spreadsheet is and then open it. And there are a couple things that you need to check. You need to make sure that there is only one row at the top for column headers, or no rows for no column headers, but there can't be any blank rows anywhere before or after a column header row. And you should note that you'll get more consistent imports if you have the first name and last name in separate columns, but they don't have to be. You can import first and last names in the same column. Once you're sure that the spreadsheet is good for importing, then you can close the spreadsheet. And from the player grid, from the players icon, you can select import players and import from an Excel or CSV file. You then need to select your file and open it. The file will open into an import utility where you can define what the columns are. First, you can define which columns you want to import, and secondly, define what each column is that you are importing. So at the top of the import utility, there is a column selector, and for any columns that you're not importing, you just select none. And for the columns that you are importing, you select what the field is: first name, last name, handicap index. So once you have the columns defined, there's a checkbox to tell Viper whether the first row in the spreadsheet are column headers or not. If it is, the box needs to be checked, so it's not trying to import the headers. And you'll note that there is an option to create a name for the layout that you're using, and the layout can be retrieved and used at a later time. In fact, once you save a layout, the spreadsheet will always open to the last saved layout. So if you create your own spreadsheet format and then save a layout for that, you can speed the process of importing names, because if you're using the same layout all the time, it'll just remember the last layout. You can just open the spreadsheet and then click OK to import. Once you have the spreadsheet defined the way that you want, then press the OK button and it will import all of the players. Once the players have been imported, if you're working with handicaps for the event, you can click the handicap icon to show the handicap column and calculate the handicaps, or enter a handicap adjustment formula if it's a team handicap adjustment, and then calculate the team adjusted handicaps for the event. Viper also provides an option for you to create your own spreadsheet, or create a spreadsheet from an event. So you can actually set the event up, select the T's that you want to use for the event, the specific T's that you want to use for the event, and then from the players menu, there's an option to export to Excel, and this will actually go out and automatically create an Excel spreadsheet based on the name of the event and export it into the default export table, which would be the under the program files, VP Golf Excel Imports. But you can select anywhere that you want to place the file and then hit save to save that spreadsheet. So if you browse to that location, then you can locate that spreadsheet and open it, and you can delete any columns that you don't want to be used for the template that you will send out to the event coordinator. And so once you have the spreadsheet in the format that you want, you can then save it again and send it out to the event coordinator to fill in the names and send it back to you. This will then facilitate the process of importing the players back into the event once your outside coordinator has gathered all of the player information. And this concludes the video trainer for importing players from an Excel CSV file. For any questions or technical support, call 888-643-1306, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Thank you.